In this video, we will learn how to export analytics report in Freshsales CRM. To create and download a custom report, navigate to Sales Analytics in the left navigation bar. Click on New Report on the top right corner. Then drag and drop chart from the right panel. Click on the Expand button. Please select the desired module for creating a report by clicking on the Metrics option, such as Contacts. Add the necessary filters and group by conditions. You can apply any filters and group by conditions as per your requirement. For demonstration purpose, I'm applying Sales Owner is not empty filters and group by condition as Sales Owner. Once the required configurations are completed, click on Show Underlying Data. Click on Settings gear icon, which will give you an options to select the columns that you want to appear in your report. Once the required fields are selected, click on Apply and then save the report. Once the report is saved, you will find the download option under the three dots menu at the top right corner. To download the chart, click on PDF of graph data, and to download the underlying data, click on CSV of tabular data. Now the custom report is downloaded as per the options we have given. Thank you for watching the video.